Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token. Now, Tectonic token hitting about 2,000 new holders in the past 24 hours. It's amazing. Now, remember the total holders of Tectonic token as of the time of recording this is about 36,105 holders. Tectonic token just celebrated a 1-year anniversary. That was last month, December. And then one important thing to understand that it took Tectonic token about 1 year to hit about 34,000 holders, but within the space of 24 hours, Tectonic token gained about 2,000 new holders. I mean, I'm happy. Remember, Tectonic token recently started pumping. That was about past few hours, and a lot of people started buying Tectonic token. That is also why we also saw millions of dollars have been pumped into Tectonic token, and a lot of people have started coming in to buy and hold Tectonic token. I believe this year we'll be seeing Tectonic token holders hitting 100,000 holders, and if Tectonic holders can hit up to 100,000 holders, I believe Tectonic token will definitely gain a lot of support, a lot of community, a lot of market cap, and Tectonic price will also pump. Well, for me, I think gaining 2,000 holders in 24 hours is amazing because of Tectonic token really pumping. So if we see more pump coming in very soon, we will see more holders to keep coming into Tectonic token. Well, let's keep hoping that Tectonic price is going to pump more before the end of the year. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.